The facelifted Citroen Berlingo has been unveiled. The popular van-based people carrier has received a fairly extensive refresh inspired by the recently revealed Citroen EC3 electric supermini. Starting with the exterior of the new Berlingo, the most obvious changes have been made up front. The split-element headlights of the outgoing model have been replaced by new units with 3 separate lighting segments, a design shared with the new Citroen EC3. Like the new supermini, the Berlingo also features a black trimmed strip across the front with a chevron pattern to mimic the iconic Citroen logo. There's a redesigned front bumper with small red accents, the same color also found on the side airbumps. These plastic trim pieces at the base of the sliding doors are carried over from the outgoing model and help to protect the Berlingo from scrapes and dings, as well as adding to its rugged appearance. Citroen has also adopted a somewhat more understated approach to the design of the Berlingo's rear fascia, although the vertical LED taillights still make a distinctive impression. 2024 Citroen e-Berlingo Dashboard 16. Inside, the French MPV has received a new dashboard design topped with a 10-inch touchscreen plus a new configurable 10-inch digital instrument panel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone connectivity also feature, along with a new flat-bottom steering wheel design that incorporates the controls for the audio system and cruise control, rather than using separate stalks like its predecessor. Citroen has also added its famously soft advanced comfort seats to the Berlingo and e-Berlingo for the first time with special fabric and funky 3-color upholstery, although they are only available on higher spec models. The electric e-Berlingo model has received some useful powertrain upgrades. The battery pack is a 50 kWh unit, powering the same 136 brake horsepower motor but now delivering up to 199 miles of range, WLTP tested, a 20% improvement over the outgoing model.